Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a PowerShell script that generates a calendar. Don't worry if you're new to PowerShell or coding in general. We'll go through it step by step. Let's get started. The first line of our script, clear host, is used to clear the console window, providing a clean slate for our calendar output. This ensures a neat and organized display. There are two ways to run this script. You can press the F5 key on your keyboard, or you can press this Run Script button. And here's the output. Today, it is Wednesday, November 8th, 2023. We have a function named getCal. Functions in PowerShell are like reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. In this case, our function will generate a calendar. The function takes two optional parameters, year and month. If none are provided, it will default to the current year and month. Here, we're creating an object to handle date formatting. The script also extracts abbreviated day names, which we'll be using later to display the days of the week. And that is for the date time formatting info and abbreviated day names. The header is the month and the year, centered within a 21-character space. This provides a nice visual representation of the month and year we're displaying. Next, we need to print the abbreviated day names. This gives us the names of the days of the week. Then, calculating days in months. We use the date time class to determine how many days are in the specified month and year, and then determining the day of the week for the first day. We find out which day of the week the first day of the month falls on, which helps us position the numbers correctly on the calendar. Next, we have two loops. The first loop handles indentation to align the first day of the month with the appropriate day of the week. The second loop prints the days of the month. And the final output. We have generated a calendar for the specified month and year. If you want to generate a calendar for a different month and year, simply pass those as arguments when calling the function. So if I want to jump into the future and add the year 2025 right here, and I'm gonna give it the month of March, which is represented as the number 3. Here we can see March 2025. It is still highlighting the 8th, and if you do not want the highlighting, you can comment this section out and put a hash sign in front. So if I rerun this, the red coloring is gone. Let me show you the year 2000 and the month of February, which is number 2. You can see back in 2000, February had 29 days. If we jump to 2001, this will have 28 days. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you understand how this PowerShell script works. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.